Kristen King, and you're watching Smart Money, the show that gives you the inside edge on the bets that the movers and shakers on Wall Street are placing. This week, we're taking a look at a sector that has benefited from consumers spending more time at home and more money on their dwellings. The business that we're going to focus on is At Home Group, which bills itself as the home decor superstore, selling everything for home interiors, including furniture, lighting, bedding, rugs, and storage from more than 220 stores nationwide. Consumer spending on homes has been a growth area during the pandemic. The overall U.S. home improvement market is thought to have been worth around $440 billion during 2020 and is set to grow by a further 8.7% this year. Furnishings and decoration are only a small subset of that total market spend, of course, but sales in the sector have also been growing. At Home recently updated the market ahead of a couple of investor events it was participating in. The update showed that comparable sales in Q4 had risen between 23 and 24%, up from previous expectations for growth in the mid-teens. The company also said that the firm's total available liquidity, that's combined cash and borrowings, had grown to $456 million as of the end of December 2020, up by $96 million compared to third quarter figures. At Home has a market cap of $1.4 billion, with annual sales of $1.36 billion, and is a Russell 2000 constituent that is 90% owned by institutional investors, one of whom has been buying the stock in recent days. Clifford Sosin is the founder and investment manager of CAS Investment Partners, a value-focused investment firm that manages money on behalf of high net worth individuals. Mr. Sosin was previously at UBS, where he was a director in the bank's fundamental investment group, analyzing equity and fixed income securities. Prior to that, he was an analyst at hedge fund Silver Point Capital. It would be fair to say then that Mr. Sosin is no stranger to Wall Street, and he has been busy buying At Home stock, adding 645,000 shares to his existing holdings at the cost of $10.74 million. Mr. Sosin bought the stock in 3 tranches in the first week of January and paid an average price of just under $16.66 per share. At Home's share price rose by 18% last week and is up by an impressive 43% since the start of the year, during which time it has posted 10 consecutive new highs. The stock closed last week at around $22, but has been as high as $40.97 in the last 3 years. So there could be further upside to come in a stock that's clearly benefiting from the ongoing impact of the pandemic. Of course, these remain uncertain times, so please remember to always do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions.